Real estate has always been a great investment, ahead of gold, stocks, mutual funds, bonds, etc. As the population rises and inflation reaches its peak, buying lands or investing in real estate has become a dream for many. But what if I tell you that you can own digital lands now, and while it is not tangible, it is in fact more profitable than the current real estate business? Welcome to Brave Personal Alerts. Definition: virtual real estate in the metaverse refers to digital properties, land, or spaces existing within virtual worlds or decentralized online environments. It mirrors the concept of physical real estate ownership, but in a digital, often blockchain-powered setting. Fueled by cryptocurrency, the metaverse is undoubtedly the hottest attraction for investors looking to purchase real estate. The idea of virtual lands may come as a surprise to a lot of people, but for the ones familiar with games like Farmville, Clash of Clans, and The Sims, it might not sound such a big deal. However, in recent months, we have seen individuals as well as larger corporations bid millions of dollars for a piece of land. $2.4 million to be precise. Before we delve into how you can buy lands in the metaverse, it is important to understand what Metaverse is. For the uninitiated, Metaverse is a digital world with no boundaries. Imagine a world where you can shop, buy, roam around, and potentially do everything that you do in real life. It should be noted that it is not a replacement to reality. It is in fact enhancing how you see things in digital space. Real estate in Metaverse. Real estate in the metaverse is an expensive business, similar to the real world, where the prices are based on location, population, and the demand and supply ratio. When there is an increasing demand for a plot in the metaverse in a certain area, then the prices go high automatically. Some plots in the metaverse can go as high as over $4 million. There are plots available for affordable prices too. The highlight of the virtual world is that regular people have a chance to buy simple plots or even a vacation island on the metaverse. Some say buying real estate in the metaverse is similar to buying real estate in Manhattan in the 1940s. Not all plots are as expensive, and some can even start from a few $100s. However, just like the real world, everyone wants to be part of the best locations in famous metaverses like The Sandbox and Decentraland. Some of the top metaverse projects that have attracted real estate are The Sandbox, Axie Infinity, Decentraland, Engine, Crypto Voxels, Somnium Space, etc. All of these projects are built on the Ethereum blockchain and use cryptocurrency for transactions that can be used in the metaverse. Apart from the above, there are plenty of metaverse projects headed by gaming companies like Atari and Roblox. While there are plenty of plots available on different metaverses, the most famous Decentraland metaverse project has been divided into exactly 90,601 plots, and The Sandbox is divided into 166,464 lands. This raised an important question. Why would you buy land in the metaverse then if it costs exactly like the real-world plots? The simple answer is, return on investment is much higher as compared to real-world plots. ROI can go as high as 1,000% and in a shorter period of time. Secondly, blockchain technology makes it difficult for any land scams to occur. Blockchain technology is essentially a distributed ledger, meaning that every transaction is recorded, bringing more transparency to transactions. This minimizes any chance of real estate fraud such as forced cancellation, selling without authorization, fake promises, and delays in possession. Investing in virtual real estate presents various possibilities. 1. Investment potential. Properties in the metaverse can hold value based on their location, scarcity, and demand within these virtual worlds. Investors can buy land early in emerging areas, anticipating future demand. 2. Development opportunities. Owners can develop their acquired land or properties, building digital structures, venues, or experiences. This could involve designing virtual art galleries, concert venues, virtual stores, and more. 3. Monetization. Virtual property owners can monetize their investments through various means. They might sell their developed properties to interested parties, rent out space for events or businesses, or even charge admission fees for experiences held on their digital land. Buy, sell, rent in Metaverse. Buying lands in the Metaverse is only possible through cryptocurrencies. This is because fiat currencies incur huge transaction fees, whereas crypto assets can be traded globally and without the involvement of any third party or broker. With the current valuation of Metaverse plots, which is only increasing, what does one do in a case where they might not be able to afford an expensive plot at the moment? Imagine if you could buy your favorite plot of land through lending. This can be facilitated through decentralized finance. Decentralized finance is essentially an entity which can facilitate borrowing and lending of cryptocurrency against collateral. In the case of Metaverse, the collateral can be a non-fungible tokens that you bought or your crypto assets. It would be wrong to call decentralized finance similar to banks, because unlike banks, anyone without the need of any personal documents, KYC, and without any credit check can borrow crypto assets. All the transactions are automated with the help of smart contracts. Notably, having a mortgage held up against a non-fungible tokens for $20,000 owned by an individual investor is always easier than putting down $20,000 USD on a piece of real estate. Bank loans in Metaverse. As mentioned above, decentralized finance is the only entity that can facilitate money lending, but it is not as easy as it sounds. There are various factors involved, including lending loans with ease and safety, such as multi-blockchain network that allows speedier liquidity deployment while still being cost-effective. Summary. The evolving concept of virtual real estate signifies an intersection of technology, creativity, and potential financial opportunities within a digital landscape, opening doors to a new realm of investment and entrepreneurship. Remember, there are still plenty of plots yet to be purchased, while some are still being developed. Undoubtedly, the potential of digital lands is unimaginable, only if channeled rightly.